Conjunction are always used, especially in grammar part. Question number 5c, joining. That's joining the sentence without using and but so. So this video related to conjunction will surely help us to understand how to join the sentences. We all know that joining is not a great deal, but here it's a great deal because we have specific rules. This is the first video and that's in the formal, that deals with the formal rules, formal matter related to joining. We'll discuss all this subordinating, coordinating and correlative conjunction in these videos. But more than that, we'll discuss how to join this one appropriately so that we can carry all the marks marked for that particular section. So in this video, we'll find many things written. Whichever you think necessary, do write down those things. So go through this video.
Combining sentence is a major part for ICSE. It comes in question number 5 C, and this requires a great importance. We know this is very easy. We can't use and but so here, but keep it in mind while combining or joining something, we have to be very careful. Certain rules and regulations are there while doing that. Since ICSE supports specific format and specific methods, we have to know all these things. Now combining sentence, we'll go through the basic parts and thoroughly we'll make further videos which will help you to learn the different tactics to cover this part. So why combine? Too many simple sentences can become boring. Combining sentences varies the structure of a piece of writing. You can make your writing more concise by combining sentences. And further you can make the sentence and writing concise. Combining sentence also add more meaning. More can use conjunction to highlight relationship between things, ideas or events. So it will not only help you in writing the grammar part properly, but further it will help you to make your writing proper. So we should not consider this as a part of grammar only. It does have some other importance too. Coordinating conjunction, an easy way to join. Coordinating conjunction like and, but, or can be used to join sentences in such a way that each half of the sentence does not depend on other half to make sense. That means if you write, I study in class 6 and Rahul study in class 6. I study in class 6, independent clause. Rahul studies in class 6, that is also independent clause. Joined using and. So none of the part is depending on another one. I study in class 6 does not depend on Rahul studies in class 6. Few examples are provided here. I grow roses. My roses are the best in the country. I grow roses and my roses are the best in the country. Both the parts are not depending on each other. Or I grow roses and they are the best in the country. Look for ways to shorten your combined sentences using the pronoun like they. In that case, it would not be a compound sentence. Instead, it would be a simple sentence. We can use punctuation also to join sentences. But keep it in mind, in ICSE you are not allowed to use and, but, so. So be careful of that matter. But we should know the procedure before going into the specific rules provided by our ICSE board. So this is the first part. We can join using coordinating conjunction. So conjunction, those videos are updated earlier, so you can go through those. Subordinating conjunction make one part of the sentence depend on another for its full meaning. If you use subordinate, then one part of the sentence will surely depend on the second part of the sentence. Just like, I grow roses, many people like roses. I grow roses because many people like roses. So why do I grow roses? Because many people like it. So one part entirely depends on another one. Okay. So when you use subordinating conjunction, there is a difference in it. Difference is what? The one part will surely depend on another part. So be careful of that very matter. Subordinating conjunction, one part will make subordinating clause, and that sentence when it gets joined, one part of the sentence depends on another part. Just like, he is my uncle who lives in Delhi. If you use subordinating, he is my uncle who lives in Delhi. Now who lives in Delhi entirely depend on he is my uncle. Okay. Some common subordinating conjunction because, although, even though, when, while, all the WH and other things. Now subordinating conjunction, whenever it is used, it will form complex sentences, and we should prefer joining using subordinating conjunction instead of going from correlative conjunction or coordinating conjunction. So the best one is to use subordinating conjunction and correlating instead of coordinating. Punctuation. The colon and semicolon can also combine sentence. A semicolon replaces and to join two items that could be complete sentence or their own. I grow roses, semicolon. They are the best in the country. A colon can combine sentences taking the place of that or is. My neighbor taught me the key to growing roses. Colon, always use the right soil. In many other ways we can use comma to combine sentences, but it is better for ICSE to avoid that very format while joining sentence in grammar part, but while writing in essay or in other part you can do that, there is no problem. So punctuation basically or normally we should avoid that one in joining part in grammar part, but while writing essay or while writing other answer you can easily use that one, there will be no problem in it. He is my uncle full stop, he lives in Delhi. You can also write he is my uncle comma he lives in Delhi. Now here is one complicated sentence I am going to tell you. Look for opportunities to combine and shorten using some rewarding, like this example. Here one subject, Sam, does two things in the sentence. Sam hates my roses. Sam wants to chop them down. Sam hates my roses and he wants to chop them down. Now look, Sam loves daisies. He would pull up all the roses in the garden so he could plant daisies in their place. Sam, who loves daisies, would pull up all the roses in the garden so he could plant daisies in their places. So what we can see that use of comma and making the matter more complicated. Better avoid comma in these cases and go for subordinating or correlating conjunctions. So often comma leads to complication. Keep it in mind while going through this joining or combining sentence, don't complicate the matter. If the matter gets complicated, it is harder for everyone, for the teacher or for you to recognize the matter properly. So subordinating conjunction make subordinating clauses and subordinating clauses make complex sentences. Same is the case with correlative conjunction. Now last one, as you can see, a messy sentence is provided. Not even pair or group of sentences should be combined. Varying sentence length and structure makes writing more interesting and easier to read. Try not too much information in a single sentence. We should not make a single sentence too long. I sold some roses at the country fair, but then Sam, who hates roses, arrived and, after waving a big sign saying, "Down with roses, daisies forever," stole my garden shears which my mother had given me, and did the worst thing he could do, he snipped the flower of every single stem. Obviously it is a messy sentence and we should not entertain or encourage that type of sentence formation. A sentence should not be so long. It should be of adequate size. What is the necessity to make such long sentence? Keep it in mind, children. If your sentences are going to be long, there is the possibility of error. Don't do that. This is a suggestion to you. So this is the first part of the combination of the sentences. Further we'll have 3 to 4 classes regarding the rules and regulation we need to follow while combining these things. we should not directly join two sentences. We should not be blind while doing that one. We should make preferences. We can join a sentence using and. We can join a sentence using when. We can join a sentence using